everyone, we are Fresh Foodies and our team consists of Carly Hunt, Brianna Smith, Isla Gray, Emily Noyce and Cooper Mulhearn. At Fresh Foodies we are passionate about creating and providing exquisite dressings for those who are passionate about healthy eating as well as those who are daring and want to mix things up. Our most popular dressing is our sweet caramelised balsamic glaze, which you can purchase right here at the Unity College Co-op. At Fresh Foodies, we are passionate in producing high quality dressings through using local ingredients as well as being preservative and artificially colour and flavour free. We believe in healthy, fresh and local ingredients that are ethically sourced.
The $5,000 grant towards our business would mean the world to us. With the money, we would be able to improve our marketing concepts, establish partnerships, and we'd also be able to consider making new products, like herb salts, pestos and dips. This would allow us to expand our target market. We would then expand these products to other local businesses to either use or sell for us.
Fresh Foodies' business idea is to expand our small startup into a larger variety of health foods such as herb and salt mixes, as well as pestos and dips. We are mainly marketing our products through social media like Instagram and the Fresh Foodies website on the weeks.
Our target market are people who are earning an income who like to be creative with food but don't have a lot of time to follow recipes. Initially, we will target our products to the staff and students of Unity College by including the wider Unity community by launching our products to the Unity College Co-op Cafe.
Our competitors are charging much more for their product. Lear Australian Vinegar is one of the competitors and they're charging $9 to $13.50 a bottle while we're charging only $6.99. There has been a 23% increase economic values in the food and agri-business sector. Market size for dairy products in Australia is $950 million and specialty food sales increases by 10.7% in 2017.
Our dressings can be used on bruschetta, cheese, caprese wraps, strawberry salads, prosciutto, goat's cheese, strawberry with balsamic vinegar, roasted tomatoes, Mediterranean grilled chicken, roasted peppers, pizza and feta as well.
Our startup cost was $100 as we put in $20 per person. Our cost price was $5.94 and our sale price was $6.99. Our key milestones were that we have sold out a product not once but twice.
We produce 9 bottles per month, which is around 90 bottles per year. Our costs have been broken down into cost per bottle based on the recipe volumes. The glue is calculated to last for 160 bottles based on a 16-metre tape. Printing is based on 6 labels per sheet, printed in colour at the library at a cost of 50 cents per sheet. And we have 1,000 millilitres of balsamic for 3 bottles and sugar 8 bottles per gram.
You should give us startup capital because we are passionate and dedicated to grow our business and expand within the food industry market. Fresh Foodies strive to create and promote healthy, local and fresh foods and condiments for those who share a keen interest in healthy foods and want to help support local student businesses.